Dear student, today my topic is hepatitis. It is a epidemic jaundice. Pathogen: infectious hepatitis or the viral hepatitis type A and serum hepatitis or the viral hepatitis type B. Mode of transmission: number 1, hepatitis A virus HV is transmitted by the fecal oral route. It may occur by the direct contact or indirectly through the contaminated water or food. Number 2, infection of hepatitis B virus HBV occurs through infected blood inoculation from mother to their babies and by the sexual route. Incubation period 25 to 30 days for HAV and 60 to 90 days for HBV. Right? Now we discuss what are the symptoms of this disease. The symptoms are the common symptoms are fever, decreased appetite, nausea and vomiting. There is pain in the muscles and joints. Urine is dark and stool is whitish pale. Right? The total number of leukocyte decreases, but lymphocyte counts increases. Liver cells are damaged, releasing bilirubin that cause jaundice. Right? Prevention. Prevention of contaminated food and water. Use of the chlorinated or boiled water at least during the epidemic. Screening of kitchen, toilet, and killing of flies. Proper disposal of excreta. Taking boiled food with low protein and fat content. Right?